Hi, I'm Mike with Holiday Rambler. We just showed up at the manufacturing facility as I just caught wind that a brand new product for 2021 came offline. That is the Holiday Rambler Nautica. This unit's not even on the dealer's lot yet. This is the very first one. Let's jump in and see if we can get a sneak peek real quick. All right, first initial thoughts when we walk up to the Nautica is that it does not look like an entry-level diesel product. Just so you know where the Nautica falls, typically in previous years, the Holiday Rambler lineup had the Navigator and the Endeavor. This year, we built an entry-level diesel, and now that's built by the Nautica. So this is built on the Freightliner raised rail chassis. Looks like we got dual patio awnings. One great feature is all three of these luggage compartments open up to become one huge compartment. A lot of storage, and there's no cross member between them two that obstruct getting larger objects in. It's all lined with the fiberglass bottoms. Got the large pull-out tray, which can be accessed from either side. Got a 50-inch exterior television. But one of the biggest features with the Nautica is going to be over here on the other side. I was really amazed we were able to incorporate this feature in an entry-level diesel, and that's going to be the Aqua Hot. Yes, this unit can be ran off pure electric, no hassle, no need to fill up propane tanks. You can run all of your light loads off pure electric. That's the campgrounds money, or for heavier loads, you can run it off diesel, and that is plumbed into the 100-gallon fuel tank provided by Freightliner. We also got top-mounted windshield wipers. Let's jump inside and see. All right, not only is the Nautica brand new for 2021, but this unit features the brand new fossil painted wood. That's a brand new option for 2021 as well. Coming up front, we got the fully customizable digital dash. We got the dual displays, and the one on the right has built-in navigation, which is a great feature because you can program in the dimensions of the motorhome and it won't allow you to go down them small roads that you may be a tight fit. We got the drop-down queen bed above. This particular unit features the power motion lounge. We got the drop-down dinette with storage underneath it, which goes down for additional sleeping space as well. Now, onto this beautiful accent wall. We got the storage up top, we got the television with the sound bar, and right behind the fireplace, we all love some hidden storage, which the fireplace does put out 5,300 BTUs of heat. Coming over to the galley, all solid surface, and just to be clear, the Nautica solid surface throughout the whole living area and the kitchen. We got the stainless steel farm style sink, which is deep. We have the induction dual burning cooktop with the convection microwave. We got a full size 20 cubic feet residential refrigerator. Now this is a bath and a half unit, but it's laid out very functional. So we can have one person in the shower and we can have another person on the other side getting ready as we have another sink and mirrors out here as well. We got a full size king bed, which is articulating. We got the 110 USB hookups on each side. This particular unit has 16 drawers in it alone, not counting all the cabinets back here in the master suite, but 16 drawers. We have the optional stackable washer and dryer, and more places to get ready on the other side with the lighted mirror. And that's basically the quick sneak peek of the 2021 Nautica. So jump out to your local Holiday Rambler dealer and demand that you want to see the 2021 Nautica.